Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Bitcoin coming down to 25,000, exactly as I've been talking about for the last 4 days. Bitcoin hit it just now. My trade activated. I bought spot positions of Bitcoin, spot positions of Uniswap, about 50,000 Uniswap dollars worth of Uniswap. Another 1 Bitcoin or 1.5 Bitcoin or 1 Bitcoin. I'm going to show you in the trades. My account is actually almost back in, even up in the last 2 days, while the rest of the market's been dropping and bleeding. We haven't. We've been making gains. So big congratulations to all of you. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I was the only one in the world again to call this drop to 25k. Just as I was the only one in the world to call the Bitcoin top on the day of the top on 11th of November 2021. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to the technicals. Again, this was me 4 days ago. Warning, Bitcoin dropped to 24k. Bitcoin 1 year trend line, will it break? Bitcoin warning, the last 2 days. Warning, Bitcoin massive drop now as predicted 21 hours ago. And Bitcoin dropped exactly as I said. The market getting just annihilated. Tech stocks and crypto. XRP down 13%, SUI down 10%, IDEX 9%, FXS 8%, Uniswap 8%, and I bought $50,000 worth of Uniswap. Doge 8%, IOTA 7%, Bitcoin 6.8%. Bitcoin dropped all the way to 24k, exactly as I've been talking about. It finished the C wave correction. If you've been following my videos for the last almost 3 weeks, I've been talking about this. We've been following up this trend line. We did this Elliott wave count. I had so many doubters, so many people spitting at me, telling me I'm wrong. Bitcoin's Elliott wave, first impulse, second corrective, third impulse, largest, fourth corrective, fifth impulse, finalizing then A, B, C correction down to 25k. I've been talking about that for ages, and Bitcoin came all the way down to 24k, and I managed to get my spot positions activated. So over on Bybit, like you can see here in the Telegram, many of my members knew about it. Look at them celebrating in the Telegram. And you can just see everyone. So let's see. So here you can see about 1 hour ago, Bitcoin, Uni, and Doge buys activated on the dip. Also, Bitcoin long opened at 25k. It opened the trade at 25k, and my positions activated. I bought 2.6 Bitcoin. So I got 1 more Bitcoin on that drop. The order activated at 25k. I had set $50,000 worth of Uniswap activated at $4.90. $10,000 worth of Doge activated, so which was beautiful, and already in the profits. So already my account is now up almost on the last 2 days. Nice positions, and you can see here on Bybit, my Bitcoin trade is now $2,600 in the profits from this morning. About 1 hour ago, I managed to catch the dip at 25,500. Now we're at 26,700. I bought 2.3 Bitcoin on a long. It was about a $59,000 trade, 2,600 in profits, and this account $320,000 in this account. I'm almost up on the week now. Almost back up. We had 325 before the drop started. I bought another Bitcoin, so 2.69 Bitcoin, 71,000, $50,000 worth of Uniswap activated on that drop. Dogecoin activated on that drop, and Bitcoin finished that big drop down to 25k. This corrective wave, it was a brutal quick drop. Now we're on very strong support here. This area here has massive support at 25,000. So I do expect that we get a bounce, and now the next Elliott waves can start, but we have to see how this bounce takes over. But usually after this Elliott wave counts, then you have this corrective ABC formation, which had just kind of disregarded the B, really. It just kind of, okay, you could say that was a B bounce, I guess, but it kind of disregarded the B. Now we can see if Bitcoin manages to hold here, we can start the next Elliott wave count. This is a major area of support at 25,058, which we bounced off very strongly. I mean, it came all the way to 24k. It would have liquidated so many people in that drop. But 25k is very strong support here on Bitcoin, exactly as predicted. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under the video down below, take the crypto masterclass to learn how to predict these drops. JamesCryptoGuru.com. There's 10,000 of you to trade on Bybit using this link, a $30,000 bonus. And 3, join us on Twitter. There's 9,000 of you trading together, and many of you made massive gains. Actually, you can see some of the comments here of people's gains. So take profit. Thanks for the advice. You can just see some people kind of arguing in here. Discussing trades. I've been waiting for 25k for a long time. This is us talking together in the Telegram. These are some of the prints that we made, some of the gains, and a lot of people made some gains. You're the best. You're the real Guru, BTC Guru, thanks Guru, thank you. And there was a lot of people making actually gains on this drop. Look at the gains some of the people had. So these are some of the gains. You're the best, did not take thank you Guru. And you can see here some of the gains people had. This guy made $14,000 on this Ethereum bounce. $14,000 profit already. Congratulations. This guy made 61% on the BTC bounce. This guy 164%. We're actually making money. This guy made $4,969 on this drop. Everyone's making money while the rest of the market's bleeding and panicking. We actually made a lot of money, which is beautiful. And there's many of them. 17% profit on CRV long. And there was just amazing gains, which is beautiful. So I stacked Uniswap on this morning. I've got, so in the account, 320,000, 2.6 Bitcoin trade here. I bought more Bitcoin, more Uniswap, more Doge on the drop. Now let's see what happens to Bitcoin if it manages to hold this 25k, and if we restart the next Elliott wave count, which will be a 5-wave impulse count. Let's see how it plays out. We have to watch the 25k to support to see if it holds. Big congratulations to everyone who followed when I sold everything, who bought, who predicted the 25k drop. And again, 4 days ago I was talking about this. So actually I've been talking about it for a while. Warning, Bitcoin to drop to 25k 4 days ago. Warning, which came out to be correct. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.